Hi friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. This is Shayan, and today we are going to learn what is media library and how you can utilize it for your site. So first of all, I have logged in my site which I have installed on my device. This is offline site. I have already told you almost in my every video to tell you so that you will not search it on Google. Actually, that's why I'm telling you again and again. So this is media library. Just click on it. Actually, I want to give you the complete overview of media library, how you can utilize it for your different purposes. So these are the items which you can upload on the media library. Actually, if you want to upload any file, any thing related to any document, you can upload it through media library. So you can upload an image, audio, video, documents, spreadsheets, archives, and unattached things which are, so you can upload all these things through this section. Actually, now let me tell you how you will add any new item here. So just click on add new and click select file, and from there I'm going to upload any random photo. I'm going to upload this elementor logo which I have already deleted, which I showed you in my previous video. So I deleted this from site data. Now I again showing you how you can upload anything on your site data. Actually, so now this uh, a media file actually is in your website data. So now what if you want to delete it? Just click on it and go down and see here, delete permanently. Click on it and click OK. So the item has been deleted. This is the functionality of media library. Through this you can add any file, you can delete it, and you can use it in on your site front. Actually, so this is the today's video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Stay connected for further videos. Thank you.